Alright, so we have a surprise gift at the end of this video. Be sure to stay tuned until the end. Let us grow this channel together with free access to educational videos. Hit the like and subscribe button. Let's read the words to find out what's in the box. Are you ready? Let's go! You've got 15 seconds to read this word to find out what's in the box. The word is caps. Good job! Your next word. The word is nets. Good work! Let's read this word now. Three seconds left. The word is pens. Excellent. Your next word. Five seconds left. The word is cans. Excellent. Your next word. The word is taps. Good work. Your next word. The word is kits. Excellent. And your last word. The word is tent. Good work, everyone. Are you ready to open your gift? Let's see what's inside. Wow, it's a unicorn. Good job, everyone. See you in our next episode. If you're watching this video, you would have completed watching our spelling skill videos on sounds S-I-T-A-P-N-C-K and E. In this video, your child will learn how to put the sounds together to read the words, which is our reading skills. You can also watch our pre-recorded lessons and download worksheets to help your child apply what they have learned. Visit our website at www.beyondworksheets.com for comprehensive lessons on these sounds.